What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best rice cookers for brown rice. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Zojirushi. Our editor's choice is the 10-cup advanced product that incorporates neurofuzzy logic technology that uses a microcomputer to automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature to match the rice you are making for optimal results. The Zojirushi NS-ZCC18 comes with built-in programs for white rice, regular/sushi, softer or harder, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. It also has settings for automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheat cycles, and a colored LCD control panel that includes a clock and a timer with 2 functions. The 1000-watt cooker that has been certified by CET Luz for energy efficiency comes with a built-in retractable power cord, which is convenient when operating or storing this unit. You will also receive an instruction manual in English, French, traditional Chinese, Korean and Japanese languages and several accessories such as 2 measuring cups, non-stick rice spoon/scooper and rice spoon holder, so you can start making your favorite dishes right away. Customers also appreciate the ease of cleaning facilitated by a detachable inner lid, and the cool handles on the side that make it easy to move the spherical, non-stick inner pan. Reported complaints include condensation that spills out when you open the lid and the relatively high pricing, although customers admit it is worth the money. You can also opt for the 5.5 cup capacity model if your rice demand is low. Number 4. Aroma. We chose this BPA-free cooker as our budget pick due to its affordability, but there is a lot more to this unit that makes it a contender for the best brown rice cooker in the market. The Aroma ARC150SB has a high capacity of 10 cups in pre-programmed settings for white rice, brown rice, flash rice, slow cook, and steaming of meat and vegetables. The 3-in-1 digital model uses Aroma's patent-pending sauté then simmer STS function to simmer Spanish rice, chili and risotto, then switches to automatic keep warm once the food is ready. You can set the 15-hour delay timer to cook your meals at a more convenient time. This ensures your meal is ready whenever you are ready to eat. Other notable features are the stainless steel body that retains heat well and makes this model a durable product, digital controls that are easy to operate, and removable parts that make cleaning a breeze, although some buyers find the non-removable lid inconvenient. Some also noted that the rice dries out or turns brown if left on keep warm for a longer period. Accessories included are a steam tray, a measuring cup, rice spatula, and a soup spoon. Number 3. Tiger JBV. The Tiger JBV18UW stands out in particular as one of the best small rice cookers for brown rice because of its to-cook synchronized cooking function that allows you to prepare a main dish and rice at the same time. There are also 3 other built-in settings for plain rice, brown rice, and slow cooking. Place the cooking plate above the inner pot with up to 5.5 cups of rice and press the start button to make both meals simultaneously. For higher capacity, you can buy the 10-cup model by the same company. The BPA-free cooking plate of the Tiger JBV18UW is designed in a unique way to prevent interfering with the texture of the rice or transfer of flavor from the plate to the rice. A number of customers have complained about the pot peeling and the cooker's malfunctioning after a while. Otherwise, the majority of owners like the synchronized cooking, simplicity in operation, the non-stick spatula, cooking plate, measuring cup, and cookbook that come with this product. Number 2. Midea Mb. The Midea Mb-fs5017 is among the best rice cookers for brown rice that can give your food the Midas touch. It is designed to hold 10 cups of raw rice for 3 to 10 people, and a measuring cup, 2 spoons and a food steamer are included to ensure you take the right measurements required to make a variety of meals for consistent results. You will also benefit from the wide range of 11 pre-programmed settings for cooking white rice, congee, quick rice, brown rice, whole grain or wild rice, baby porridge, oatmeal, soup, broth or more liquid-based cooking, steam, stew, roast or beans, or less liquid cooking, slow cooking for up to 10 hours, automatic keep warm and reheat functions, and a 24-hour delay timer so you can enjoy your meal at your convenience. It is operated using touchscreen controls and a digital LCD panel, which may take some time to figure out. Moreover, some users didn't like the keep warm function. Customers like the Topaz Honeycomb used to make the pot for efficient heat distribution and retention in meals that are cooked evenly, the ease of cleaning and sleek design. Number 1. Zojirushi NS. The Zojirushi NS-YAC18 takes rice cooking to the next level with the GABA setting that holds brown rice at a lower temperature for an extended time to enhance flavor. It also comes with other built-in settings for white rice, umami, mixed, sushi, porridge, sweet, brown, rinse-free, quick cooking, and slow cooking for soups as well as a delay timer with 2 functions. This meal maker uses the same computerized fuzzy logic technology found in the Zojirushi NS-ZCC18 to automate optimal settings for varied cooking cuisines and cooking styles. It holds a maximum of 10 cups of raw rice, and the automatic keep warm function is activated when the rice is ready to keep it hot. Other features that customers like in this CETLU's listed product are the legible LCD control panel, the spherical inner cooking pan and heating system that limits heat loss, and the detachable inner lid. A number of people had issues with the power cord coming loose. Furthermore, this cooker is more expensive compared to other models on our list. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.